Hi, students. Let's go over three comma rules. So if you can open your book to pages 44 and 45, we're going to go over three comma rules in English. There are more, but we're going to look at the first three. So the first one is when you have transition words such as yesterday, finally. It could be moreover, furthermore, for example. So after that transition, sometimes the time order, sometimes it's just a transition word, you're going to put a comma. So yesterday, comma, finally, comma, at 8 in the evening, comma, for example, comma, therefore, comma, furthermore, comma, moreover, comma. We do have three exceptions though. Then, soon, and now do not have commas. We've also talked about the fanboys, the coordinators, the coordinating conjunctions. So we always put a comma if it's a compound sentence. We don't put a comma if it's just like two things, apples and bananas, no comma. But if it's a compound sentence, we put a comma. But I woke up and finished my homework, that's a simple sentence, so no comma here. We also put a comma between items with three or more items. So I got up, comma, took a shower, comma, drank a cup of coffee, comma, grabbed my books, comma, and ran out the door. Red, comma, white, comma, and blue are the colors of the United States flag. Red and gold are the school colors. So if it's just two things, we don't have a comma. So let's look at practice 11. And number one, we have Daisy, Tamiko, Keiko, and Nina. Those are names. We're going to separate them all with commas. And number two, Tamiko and Keiko are from Japan, and Nina and Daisy are from Mexico. This is a compound sentence, so we're going to put a comma after Japan. Nina and Keiko have the same birthday. Both girls were born on June 3rd on different continents. No commas here. So we have already gone over some of these, so you can look at them again, but I wanted to review with you the use of the three comma rules in English.